fifth session for the United Nations General Assembly began in New York, USA on Tuesday. Afghan peace talk negotiator to hold a first direct session on Tuesday. China coronavirus vaccine may be ready for the public in November. In Pakistan, educational institutions reopened across the country after 6 months. Boat capsized near Libya, 2 dozen migrants presumed dead. China says it will extend the existing tariff exemption for 16 US products till September next year. In Syria, 7 people have been killed and 30 others injured in a car bomb blast in the province of Aleppo. UAE and Bahrain eye manifold benefits from Israel-type normalization. Man's killing sparked protests in Houthi-held Sana'a. UK unemployment climbs to 4.1% on virus fallout.